Hi everybody, happy new year. It is 2025 and we are kicking off the new growing season in style this month with our January subscription box. It is a bumper box, as you can see, this month, so really exciting. So yeah, let's dive in. So if you don't know me, I'm Helen from Heritage Organic Seeds, and in September we started our monthly seed subscription box. And the goal of the box is to help you grow and enjoy your own homegrown food all year round. And we're trying to reduce the overwhelm of deciding what to grow and when to grow it by delivering you a lovely little package each month, which contains up to 5 packets of seeds, and it's always something that you can grow and enjoy in that month. So like I said, the January box was a bumper box. So let's dive in. So as you can see when we open it, this is what it looked like. So if you haven't received your box yet, I know with the temperatures outside this week, there have been a few delays in the post. If you don't want to spoil the surprise, do turn off the video now. I will post it online as normal anyway. So this is what the box looked like when you opened it. And our little insert with our little QR code which takes you to the subscription box webpage. That's got all of the details of the box, and it's where we're going to post our sew along videos, and the recipe suggestions are on there as well for ways to enjoy all of the harvest that you produce with what is in the box. So the insert just said, "Hello 2025, welcome to your January subscription box. Our goal is to help you grow delicious food year round. There is not a month that goes by when there is nothing to sow. Inside your box, you will find full sowing instructions for your seeds and some information about each variety. The QR code will take you to a special webpage dedicated to your January box, which is where you'll find information about your box, recipes, and helpful tips. And we will also add our sew along videos as we go." January brings with it renewed hope and excitement for the growing season ahead, but it can often feel like there is still a long way to go before we can enjoy some tasty harvests. So we have included a very fast growing item in this box. So all that is left to do is to take a moment to yourself to reflect on this fresh start and pour a nice cup of tea and enjoy some seed sowing time. Your box is ready to open. So as normal, if you are a subscriber, you know the drill. We have our little Soil Association logo on the box, and everything is packaged in this eco-friendly tissue paper. So we will open it and see what we got. So as you can see, this is an exciting one again. So we've got this lovely big cotton bag, excuse me. So this is an organic cotton bag. And in it we had our shallot melwan. So that is really exciting because we've never done shallots before. So something new to grow. And then, sorry, I'm forgetting to show you, we had our Pucker organic tea. So this one is fresh start, so felt quite fitting for the new year to have a fresh start cup of tea. FSC lollipop sticks for your little plant labels, and then we had our seeds. Excuse me. And our little information inserts. So seed-wise, we got some sprouting seed. This one is mung bean, so you probably know those as bean sprouts. So they are really, really fast to grow, so we can enjoy those in a few days' time. We've also got winter purslane and some aubergines. If we want to get started with the aubergines nice and early, because they do take quite a long time to grow. So let's read through the insert. So we'll start with the shallots. Actually, I'll just open those so you can see what they look like. I don't think you'll be able to. So we got 250 grams of delicious shallots. So I don't know if you can quite see the colour, but they really do look stunning, and I can't wait to grow those. I've not actually done shallots before myself. I don't know if you guys have. So I'm really excited. So shallot melwan is a heavy cropping French variety. The bulbs are rounded with a pinky skin and gorgeous pinky white flesh. Melwan produces around 8 bulbs from each set and has excellent storage qualities. So 8 shallots from each little bulb. I think that's quite amazing. Shallots are native to the Middle East, but they have been cultivated in France since the 12th century, with the traditional regions of cultivation being Brittany and Anjou. Shallots have a finer flavour than onions, and they are often used in French and Asian cooking. Did you know that they are often used instead of onions when making pickled onions? Shallots also share the same antioxidant properties as garlic and are a good source of selenium. And then we've got our planting and growing instructions on the back. With the shallots, because the temperatures are so cold, I wouldn't recommend sowing these until later on in the month. So we're going to do the sow along towards the end of the month. I can't remember what date I put on the webpage. I think it was around about the 25th that I'm going to upload that. But just keep an eye on that, because I'm just conscious that it is so cold outside at the moment. It's going to be far too cold to plant those even in a greenhouse. So hopefully by the end of the month then we'll be above zero again, because I think we were about -8 last night. So yeah, far too cold. Even the compost is frozen. I was going to do some sow along videos, get them recorded today, but the compost is absolutely solid, rock solid. I can't even get in the greenhouse. So yeah, so don't do your shallots right now. Wait until the end of the month, towards the end of the month. Then we had our sprouting seed mung bean. So the humble mung bean is an ancient superfood that can be ready to eat in 5 days. How cool is that? You may have heard of the mung beans before, because we often call them bean sprouts in the UK. They feature in many Chinese meals, and no Vietnamese pho would be complete without this crisp and crunchy addition. Mung beans have been cultivated for well over 4,000 years, and we can see why. They are super quick to sprout and absolutely packed with vitamins and minerals. They are also a really good source of plant protein. So what are you waiting for? Let's get sprouting. So I'm going to have the video for that. That one will be available on Monday. Probably towards the end of the day on Monday. Just obviously I can't record the videos today because everything's frozen. I know I don't need the compost for the mung beans, but it's going to take about 12 hours to soak to start with. So Monday is the day for that. And then we have our winter purslane. You may have heard of winter purslane, as it is often called claytona or miner's lettuce. The name miner's lettuce came about because during the California gold rush in the mid-1800s, the miners often ate it to help prevent scurvy. It was also brought to Kew Gardens in London in 1794, so really old. Seed. Winter purslane is a really good source of vitamin C, which is often much needed in the winter months, particularly when it's been as cold as it has been this week. The plant grows like a rosette and has pretty heart-shaped leaves. You can harvest the leaves individually or cut the whole plant at the base, and the leaves are more succulent than a lettuce leaf, but they are still lovely as a salad leaf. Or if you prefer, you can cook them just like you would spinach. The delicate flowering shoots are also edible. So I really hope you enjoy this. It does self-seed easily, but it can also easily be pulled if you have too much, as the roots are really shallow. So I'm really excited to grow that one. And winter purslane, it doesn't like to germinate in temperatures over 12 degrees C. So we are going to aim for about 8 degrees if we can. That seems to be the optimal. So yeah, just something nice that we don't need any heat for it. Hopefully the greenhouses will warm up once these temperatures lift, and yeah, some nice winter lettuce. And then we've got our aubergine long purple, which is an open pollinated old Italian heirloom. It produces slender dark purple fruits that can grow up to 20 centimetres long. The plants themselves are also very attractive and produce pretty star-shaped flowers before fruiting. And did you know that whilst we enjoy aubergines as a vegetable, botanically they are actually classed as a berry? In the USA, aubergines are also known as eggplants because the first aubergines to be introduced there looked like white eggs. I thought that was a really interesting fun fact. So I feel like I brushed through this unboxing this month. So yeah, we do monthly sew-alongs with our boxes, and like I say, the first ones will be uploaded on Monday towards the end of the day. So hopefully by about 6 p.m. they will be online, and then towards the end of the month, when the temperatures are just warming up a little bit, just because it's been far too cold this week, we will do the planting of the shallots. We're going to do ours in 2 module trays rather than plant outside, because I just think it's too wet to be outside this early. So if we do them into module trays and just keep them not warm, keep them cool, but not outside in the freezing cold weather either. Yeah, so don't forget to warm up your compost. Don't make the same mistake I did. And yeah, I just wanted to thank everybody once again for your continued support. The boxes have been really, really well received, and we've had some rave reviews, which has been really great because a lot of work and effort goes into making these amazing. But we always welcome any feedback. So if you have any feedback, anything you'd like to see, anything you'd like to see more of, please do let me know, because this is your box. I want you to enjoy it. The whole point of it is to help you not have the overwhelm of deciding what to grow and figuring it all out. Because if you're anything like me, I used to spend so much time Googling what to do in which month. And I think I spent more time Googling than I did actually sowing the seeds. So when you're really busy, this is just a really nice way that you'll get something delivered to you each month. And it will just, you don't have to think about it. You just have to look forward to it, enjoy your cup of tea and your seed sowing time, and plant what comes. Because like I say, everything that you receive, you are going to be able to sow or plant in the month that you receive the box. So yeah, do let me know if you have any questions. I'm always online for if you have messages, or if you want to email or ask any questions or need any advice, please do reach out and let me know. And I think that's probably about all I need to talk about for the January box. So let's make 2025 the very best growing year, and let's enjoy lots of abundant, healthy harvests. I hope you have a lovely weekend, everybody. It's nice to be back on here chatting again in the new year. So yeah, let's have a great year.